Welcome to the channel. This is the first episode of the 48 scale division. Here you can get tips and tricks on scale modeling. Today we are kicking things off with a detailed comparison between two outstanding aftermarket cockpit sets for the AH-64A Apache in 1/48 scale. We have Aires' detail set going head-to-head with Eduard's painted photo-etched set. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced modeler, this comparison will provide valuable insights to elevate your next project. Let's start with the Aires cockpit set. Known for their precision and quality, Aires brings an exceptional level of detail. This set is compatible with Apaches from Hasegawa, ensuring a perfect fit for your build. Key features include raised buttons on the instrument panels and 4 detailed sensors on each corner of the cockpit, which are part of the integrated helmet and display sighting system IHADSS. This set includes various resin parts and photo etch panels that significantly enhance the realism of the cockpit. Moving on to the Eduard set, it takes a slightly different approach with its pre-painted photo-etched parts. This is a major plus for those looking to save time without sacrificing detail. The vibrant colors used are spot on, matching the real AH-64A's cockpit, providing an aesthetically pleasing and accurate representation straight out of the box. When comparing the Aires and Eduard parts side by side, several key differences emerge. The Aires set, with its meticulous detail and unpainted parts, caters to those who enjoy customizing and painting their kits. Interestingly, despite both being marketed for the same scale, the Aires kit's photo-etched dashboard is slightly larger than Eduard's. This might affect how each kit fits within your model, so it's something to keep in mind. Conversely, Eduard's pre-painted set offers ease and immediate visual impact, which is ideal for those less confident in their painting skill or those looking for quick results. To conclude, both Aires and Eduard offer excellent options for enhancing the AH-64A's cockpit. Your choice might depend on whether you value the deep customization potential of Aires' detail set or the convenience and color accuracy of Eduard's pre-painted components. Each set will significantly enhance the realism and authenticity of your model. Thank you for watching the first episode of the 48 scale division. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell to stay updated with our future modeling insights. In our next episode, we'll be assembling and painting the Aires kit, and we also try combining it with Eduard's photo-etched set to see how well they work together. It's going to be an exciting project that you won't want to miss. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Happy modeling, and I see you in the next video.